Say goodbye to shoe boxes full of receipts with QuickBooks Self-Employed. With a couple of clicks, you can add receipts to your expenses. Then easily download them ready for your tax return. To get started, go to quickbooks.com.au and sign in to QuickBooks Self-Employed. There are a few different ways you can add a receipt to an expense. Option 1 starts at the home screen. Select Transactions and click Add Receipt. Drag and drop any files stored on your computer or select Browse to search for the file. QuickBooks Self-Employed will extract the information from your receipt and automatically match it or add it to your bank transactions. Option 2 takes us to your transactions. Click the arrow next to a transaction and choose the file from your computer. Option 3 is nice and simple. If you have the QuickBooks Self-Employed app, you can use your phone to snap and store a photo of your receipt. Finally, Option 4 lets you send your receipts to receipts@quickbooks.com. You can find this email address in Settings under Receipt Forwarding. At tax time, you can easily download all your receipts by going to Reports. In the Receipts section, select the tax year and tap Download. QuickBooks Self-Employed, helping you stay on top of your expenses.